family, this is the Velvet Locks with a awesome drink recipe for you today. Now, this recipe that I got for you is going to eliminate all of that extra weight. So, if you are looking for a solution to get rid of that extra weight, well, I got the solution that's going to help you out. And for this smoothie, all you need is 3 little ingredients. That's it. And you're out the door. The best part of this drink right here, this drink, is that you're going to start to notice some changes in your body. You're going to see them in your body in a very short time. What's so special about this smoothie is that it's going to alkaline your body. It's going to eliminate those toxins from your body. It's also going to lower your cholesterol, which is going to help you to prevent you getting a stroke or a heart attack. Now, this smoothie is made with an apple, oats, and a lemon. So to let you know a little something about the mixture and the reasons for this drink, let me just break it down to you a little bit more. Now, based on the 3 ingredients, apples, oats, and lemons, the apples, which is the main ingredient in this smoothie, is full of nutrients and it's going to effectively regulate your body weight. Okay. Now, green apples in particular are very effective in eliminating those extra pounds. Due to their rich nutritional composition, they will help to support your health in so many ways. The apples are packed with dietary fibers in the form of pectin. This is going to help to reduce your appetite and regulate intestinal motility. The green apples are an excellent source of vitamin B, which metabolizes nutrients and prevents the conversion of carbohydrates to fat. I should also mention that green apples are much lower in calories and low in fluid retention. They can prevent the sudden release of the hormone insulin by slowing the sugar absorption in the intestines, and that is associated with the gain of body fat. So I basically just wanted to give you the details of the main ingredient and why it is so important to use an organic apple instead of the regular ones, because this is what's going to help to keep your sugar levels at a very low rate. So let's get into the making of this wonderful fat burner that's going to help you to curb that appetite, okay? Keep you at bay, fill you with lots of fiber, and that's going to stimulate your intestines to go. Drink this once a day. I suggest do this the first thing in the morning, okay? On an empty stomach. You drink this once a day and you're going to start to notice your body is slimming down. Not only is it going to do that, but you are also lowering your cholesterol, okay? Your cholesterol. So that's a wonderful thing. So let's go in the kitchen and start making this wonderful drink now. So now we're in the kitchen and we're going to start on our wonderful drink that's going to get rid of this excess weight that a lot of you guys are struggling with. All right, so we're going to go on a list of the things you're going to need to make this drink. You're going to need 1 whole lemon. Organic is better, but for those of you who don't have organic, we're not using the peel, so 1 whole lemon is good. You do need an organic apple. It's always good to have organic, but if you don't have organic apples, I suggest de-skinning them because it has all of those pesticides and waxy stuff on there to make it look pretty. You're also going to need 125 grams of oats. You're also going to need a half a liter of mineral water, and you do need a blender, so you're gonna have to get a blender in order to make this, to mix it up at the right smoothness. Now also I have my little thing here just for the video, you know, to squeeze my lemons. I have my trusty lemon squeezer. All right, so let's start now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by cutting our apple into slices. Now I would suggest take out the core. I don't even know where my apple peeler is, or else I would have been able to do this with no problem. All right, but for those of us who don't have an apple peeler, just take out the core. Be very careful, especially if you're using the wrong knife like I am. Okay, I'm not a chef, you guys, so as you can see, I use 1 knife for everything. As long as it cuts, it's doing the job. All right, so we're going to decore our apples and we're going to pop it into our blender. Now this is my NutriBullet, my trusty NutriBullet, and So we're going to drop all of our apple pieces into our cup. Now, if your blender isn't that strong, I suggest you chop these up a little bit finer or smaller, just so that you can get it through the motor. So that's it, just so that the blades can actually start cutting through the apples. Next, we're going to add in our ½ liter of water, mineral water. Okay. So we're going to put this into our blender and start blending down our apple and water. One thing I love about my NutriBullet, y'all, it can really chop down some stuff real fast. It blends down those pieces of vegetables or fruits in no time. All right, so now we're going to throw in our oats. Okay. Oh, damn. Please excuse my messiness. So now we added in our oats. And now we're going to pop this back onto our blender and blend it down with the oats. Really and truly, you guys, I should have done this step differently, okay? Because you're gonna need to squeeze in your lemons. So after you put your oats in there, you can squeeze your lemon juice and then blend. All right, but I'm gonna do this for now. And you're gonna squeeze in your 1 whole lemon. Whoever invented these things, I tell you, whew, they made life so much easier. All right, so now we're gonna blend it and get that nice consistency. Okay, and that's it. You have this wonderful fat burning drink that you're going to consume once a day, and you're going to consume this for 1 week. And so once you've made this drink, you're going to do this every day. All right, every day you're going to make this drink, you're going to consume it for 1 whole week, and this is going to eliminate all of that excess weight that you're carrying around in your body. So enjoy your drink. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. And I got more wonderful weight loss solutions for you coming soon. So stay tuned, all right? And until the next video, I will see you then. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen. First of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell, and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.